Hello guys, welcome to Cafe at Simplify, and today we are diving into our bank reconciliation. Kindly remember to subscribe, share and comment as we get along and as we enjoy our calculations. And guys, I have to say I wish you success. So this is how the question looks like for bank reconciliation. We should take time to know the theory part of it because it carries some good marks, and we have to do this together. So we have here a cash book for Imba I Limited. Then here we have a bank statement for the month of November, and then the question tells us check number was wrongly posted in the cash book. Wrongly posted means there is an error with it, could be in the sides or in the amount. Yeah. Other mistakes, if they exist, should be deemed to have been made in the cash book. Yeah, this is our assumption that the errors are all made in the cash book, not the bank statement. So what are we required? We are required to prepare the company's bank reconciliation statement for the month ended 30th 11 2019. 30th November 2019. So, what are we required? We are required to prepare a bank reconciliation. What should we know? They have told us all the mistakes are made in this cash book. Rather, they are made in this cash book, not in the bank statement. What does that mean? The bank statement is like our marking guide. Yeah, it's like our ruler of measurement. So what does that mean? We come here and we start comparing. We start with this balance brought down. You see, it is 20,000, and we'll use these tools to help us. So we come this side and we see that balance brought down. Yeah, this balance brought down is more than what we have here. Wow. We're encountering this for the first time, but we'll do it together. So we see that this is 20 million, but here we have 20 million, here we have 20 million 75,000. And so we see that here we have to adjust. I will put something small, adjust so that adjust, adjust, yeah, so that we remember. So we come to another one, check number. This, what we should remember, that what is on the credit side of the bank statement should appear in the debit side of the cash book. So here we have a check number, this 11 250. Then we come this side, it is credit side, so we check in the debit side first. So cash book 11, it is here, 250, we tick, we will tick this, and we'll also tick here. Yeah, here we have an issue. I'll put a dot. And so we have here check number. No, we are using this as our ruler and guide. Check number 223 1.8 credit side. So 223 1.8, we tick here. We also tick here. Yeah. So we have check number U12. So we come here. It is on the debit side, U12. Check number U12. we are checking in our cash book to see if it is there. So we see that it is here on the credit side, 600, and since it's here, it is here on the debit side, it should appear this side on the credit side, which is 600. So we'll tick also this one, and we'll also tick it here. Yeah, so we come check number 13, 10.2 million. It's on the debit side, so we check here credit side, 10.2, it is there. So we'll tick, and we'll come here and we tick it. Check number 15, it is on the debit side. We come this side, the credit side, check number 15. Should be very careful. This is U15, but you're looking for check number what? 15. We see that it is not there in the what? The debit, and it's not there in the credit side. Check number 15, debited, it was supposed to be credited. So we see that here 15 is equally not there on the opposite side. Yet it's good to check as well, maybe it was misplaced. So 15, so 15 here, this one, we see that it has an issue. It is appearing here, but not appearing, oh sorry, yeah, we'll see that check number 15, it is here and it has an issue, so we want to comment. Here we see that this amount, the 3 million, is here and it is debited. It means they did a direct debit, and in his account or in our account, in our cash book, we're supposed, this is called a direct debit. It means they reduced in the bank, direct debit. Yeah, and we'll have to correct that. We come to check number 3, check number 332 on the credit side. It should appear on the debit side. Check number 332 8.4. Is it check number 8.4? We see that it is correct. So we tick even here, we tick. I haven't done this number, so we are doing it together and we know we'll make it. So we see a cash deposit of 1.6. This is cash deposit 1.6. Okay. It is credit side. So come here, go on cash book, cash deposit 1.6. It should be on the debit side. Yeah, it is placed correctly. 1.6 credit, the other side it is debit. So we have here check number 777. It's on the credit side. So we come 777 credit side here 9.4, and then here 9.4. So we tick here and we also tick here. Importance of ticking, it is to help us complete very well. So check number U16 debit side, it should appear on the credit side. Check number U16 U16 7.6 U16. Now here it is true, it is appearing on the check this error. It is U16, this is 6.7, and here we have 7.6. So we have an issue with that. So we have this and we'll comment that it is cache book. It is a cache book error. Cache book error. Yeah, so this is a cache book error, and so we come here. We also come here. We'll highlight this, and which type of error. Here it is 7.6. Here it is 6. So this one is, and this one is what? An undercast. Yeah. So this one is, we just put error, but we have seen that it is an undercast. So we come to check number U18. It is 9.9 million. Since it is appearing this side on the debit side, it should appear on the credit side. It is U18, 9.9. It is there. We tick. Yeah. Then we have check number. We have ticked this one. We have here a credit transfer. Credit transfer, they credited this one 4.1. So on the credit side, credit transfer 4.1. We come here in our 4.1 credit transfer. You see that it is not there. So we have here this credit transfer missing, and this credit transfer, it is why it is not in the cash book. Here they made the transfer, but this side, the other side in the cash book, they didn't record it. Why? Because it is a credit, direct credit. Yeah. So we have here cash deposit. Somebody has your account number and deposits for you. This, whenever they deposit for you money in the account, we say that they have credited your account. So 8.2 million credit side should be on the debit side. Should be on the debit side. 8.2, since this side is credit. 8.2 cash deposit, we see that it is there. 8.2. We'll take this. Then we come to, we take also this one. Then we come to credit transfer, 10 million. Credit transfer, somebody transferred some money still, 10 million credit transfer. Credit side, it should be on the debit side. The 10 million in your cash book, 10 million. We see that it is not there. So we come again and we know that this one is also a direct, and it is also a direct credit. So put here direct credit. So check number U19, 2475. Debit side should appear on the credit side. U19 2475. We see that it is appearing. So we tick U19 2475. So we come to we'll take it also. we'll come to check number U20. Check number U20, 2.350. U20, debit side, it will appear on the credit side. Check number U20, 2.350. We see it is also there. We tick. We tick 2.350. 0.350. So we have check number U22, debit side should appear on the credit side, and it is 2.1. Check number U22, 2.1. So we tick also, and we also come and we tick. We see a standing order 900. So these standing order often they are not recorded in the cash book because 900 because they are automatic reductions. Yeah. So we'll put this. We'll note this one, and this one is called direct debit. Yeah, it is a direct debit. It's a direct debit. Yeah, it's a direct debit. So check number 616, 6 million. Credit side should appear on the debit side. Check number 616. Cash book, we check in our cash book. 616, 60 million should appear on the debit side because this side is appear on credit side, then it should appear on debit side. 6 million. We therefore check it. We take this, come down, and we also take. So we have check number U24. Check number U24. U24. Check number U24. 15,950,000. U24 should appear on the credit side. 15,950,000. U24 15,950,000. It is there. We tick. We also tick here. Bank charges. These bank charges are often forgotten bank charges, but we can check. Yeah, so it is not there in our cash book. Bank charges. Bank charges, sorry for that. Bank charges. So we'll put here direct. These bank charges we'll put there. These bank charges we'll put there. Direct debit. Direct debit. So we come to interest on draft. They are also often forgotten. Interest on draft 100,000. Interest on draft. Interest on draft. So it is also not there. We'll put there direct debit. That means this money was removed directly. It's like acting like a standing order. This interest on draft. Also direct what? Direct debit. Direct debit. So we have here check number 446. Credit side should appear on the debit side. So we check number 446 1.5 should appear on the debit side. 446 check number 446 1.5. We see that it is there. We tick 1.5 debit side. It should be on the credit side. 1.5. We tick. Oh, check number 49. It should appear on the credit side. 49 6.5. 49 6.5. So we do what? We tick and we come here and we tick